หลายคนถามหลายคนก็สงสัยสเต็มมาของ MFF นั้นเป็นอย่างไรอะ STEMMA
Hi everyone, this is week 15 and this is the swimming fish experiment. So we are going to need a tray with water and some washing up liquid. We are going to need some blue food colouring, a glass stirrer, a pipette, and of course our fish. So we can draw the fish on paper, colour them in, cut them out, and they can look like this in any colour that you want. We have blue fish, green fish, red fish, blue and green and red fish. So what we're going to do first is get some food colouring to make our ocean water.
STEMMA STEMMA S
We are going to take the first fish with the tweezers, like this, dip him in the dish soap, and then when we put him on the water, he swims all on his own because of the dish soap reacting with the water. Our fish can swim in the sea. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.